Students, good morning. I am Dhirendra, Modern English School, New Area, Senior Wing. This is first part of video lecture for class 8, History, chapter 5th. Chapter's name is When People Rebel. Dear students, rebel means withdraw. Why any people rebel against administration? Why any people rebel against government? Rebel against rulers? No doubt, if your interest is hampered, if your interest is violated, no doubt you will resist, you will oppose the policies. In previous chapter, we studied about policies of British policies humiliated the interest of kings, queens, soldiers, tribals, etc. And all they resisted, all they opposed the British policies. When British evicted tribals from the forest, tribals opposed policies of British. Even they fought with British. Dear student, next topic is Nawab and Rajas loses their power. Landlord, Nawab, now they felt that their honor was getting humiliated. They felt that they had been insulted. British put their resident in the courts of Indian rulers. This was against the honor of Indian rulers. But they could not do anything. Rani Lakshmi Bai made negotiation with British. She wanted her child to be recognized as heir of their kingdom after death of her husband. Nana Sahab, son of Bajirao Peshwa II, he also negotiated with British that he should be allowed pension after his father's death. But British were so confident about their military and economy that they rejected their pleas. Moreover, Awadh was the last kingdom to be annexed by British. And Awadh was submerged into the British Empire on the blame of misgovernance. Lord Dalhousie told that ruler of Awadh is not doing well in the field of administration. So it is duty of British to administer the kingdom, administer Awadh. On this charge, British submerged Awadh into the British Empire. Dear student, British did not want to continue with Mughal Empire. They wanted to omit names of Mughals. So first of all, they banned names of Mughal emperor on the coin minted by East India Company. And Dalhousie also announced that descendant of Bahadur Shah Jafar will not reside in Red Fort. And in 1856, Governor General Canning announced that after Bahadur Shah Jafar, his descendant would not be called as King of India. They would be called only princes, and they do not reside in Red Fort. They will be given a residing house in Delhi. Students, all these activities of British government, all these activities of East India Company were against of honor of Indian king. So collectively they wanted to rebel against British Empire. Now we will see what was happening in countryside. What was policies of British towards sepoy. Students, in countryside, taxes were increased, and these taxes were collected very harshly. So they were very unhappy with British government. In British army, Indian Sipahi were humiliated. They were discontented about their pension, about their payment, about nature of work. In those times, this was believed that if any Indian crossed the ocean, they should destroy their religion. And when in 1824, Indian Sipahi were sent to Burma to fight in war, Indian Sipahi refused to cross the sea. Not even although they wanted to go to Burma from the land. By land, they were agreed to go, but they were unwilling to go by the route of ocean or sea. But in 1856, British passed a law If any Indian people joined British Army, they had to obey British law. This was also cause of discontent with British Empire. In villages, British were collecting taxes harshly, and all the separates most of the separates from the villages, so they planned to revolt against British. That's all. Stay at home to fight with Corona.